Hey guys, it's Lester here, and today I'm going to help you how to install this Evolution X ROM version 2.3 based on Android 9 Pie. So before we proceed, please advance wipe your phone via here. Click wipe, click advance wipe, and check Dalvik system data, internal storage, and cache. And swipe to wipe here, and after swiping your phone, copy all the files from your computer to your phone and then click install. After you copy all the files, click install here, and then it should be like this here. So first, install the Create Vendor. Swipe to confirm Flash. It should be like this. And after flashing this zip file, reboot your phone into recovery. It should be like this. Now it's installed. Then install the Project 3 Blue. So it's successfully installed, and then back, and then click install image. Evolution X IMG, and then select system image. So it's already flashing the system image. And then done. Then reboot your device. Reboot your device. Go guys. It is successfully booting. and hit the notification bell whenever I upload videos. And don't forget to subscribe. All the links are in the description box. Just follow the steps and enjoy flushing. Thank you. Bye.